Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. I've got the InWin 309 case with the customizable RGB screen in the front panel. I actually received two of these cases, and this was the so-called test case for a special project I did with AORUS, Intel, as well as gear seekers. And you guys will probably get to see that sometimes later this month or earlier in October. I'm not sure at the moment when it will be up, but I'm sure you guys will love it. It's definitely one of the craziest projects I've been a part of, and I'm super excited to share it with you all. The 309 is a pretty crazy looking case, comes with quite a few modes for the front screen already set, and the case actually comes included with 4 of the InWin Ego 120mm fans. They are daisy chained, so they're super easy to cable manage. They hook up to the front panel controller and you can adjust the fan speeds. Their LEDs sync with the front screen as well, and you can adjust the LED brightness right from the buttons on the case as well. Plus, with the internal USB 2.0 header and InWin software, you can pretty much customize every single square on the front panel to suit your liking. And there's also a cool mode that syncs with music and sound effects and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this dual RTX 2080 Ti build and the i9-10900K fully EK water-cooled system, which is probably going to be the last 20 series build that I've worked on. I may share some more with you guys on the channel, but I will be bringing some new RTX 30 series custom systems to you guys as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this time lapse. Thanks a lot for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed. Drop us a like if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.